Good morning, students. Welcome back to Grade 4 Science online class. Children, today we are going to revise Lesson 5 Soil. First, answer the following questions. First one, what is weathering? How does it form soil? Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Wherever the fine powder, known as sand, mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals and minerals, soil is formed. Second, define soil. Name the three types of soil. Soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface. It consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. There are mainly three types of soil: sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. Third, what is loamy soil? Loamy soil has almost the same amount of sand, clay, and silt. It is the best soil for growing plants. It is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Fourth one, with the help of a diagram, describe the three layers of soil. First, you have to draw the diagram. Below that, you have to write the answer. Okay. Soil profile refers to the layers of soil. In the picture, A is the topsoil. It is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water, and air. B is called the subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. C is called the bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. Fifth, what is soil erosion? What increases erosion of soil? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. Sixth one, what is soil conservation? List any three ways in which we can conserve soil. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. We can conserve soil by the following ways. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. Okay. Now take your science book and turn page number 60. First, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Dash mixes with humus to form dash. Sand, soil. Sand. The next dash, sand, soil. Answer is soil. Second one, dash particles are the smallest soil particles. Silt, clay. Answer is clay. Third, dash is the best soil for growing plants. Loam, clay. Answer is loam. Fourth one, dash is very fertile because it contains humus. Topsoil, subsoil. Answer is topsoil. Fifth, soil can be dashed by planting more trees and by building dams across rivers. Eroded, conserved. Answer is conserved. Next, choose the correct option. First one, which of these does soil contain? A. Sand. B. Remains of dead plants and animals. C. Minerals. D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Second, which of these refers to loamy soil? A. It is the best for growing plants. B. It contains equal portions of sand, clay and silt. C. It allows water to pass through easily. D. All of this. Answer is D. All of this. Third, which of these refers to the remains of dead plants and animals that get mixed with soil? A. Sand. B. Clay. C. Humus. D. Gravel. Answer is C. Humus. Fourth one, which of these layers can be easily washed away by strong winds and water? A. Topsoil. B. Subsoil. C. Bedrock. D. All of this. Answer is A. Topsoil. Fifth one, which of these does not hold water at all? A. Sandy soil. B. Clayey soil. C. Loamy soil. D. None of this. Answer is A. Sandy soil. Sixth, which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? A. Planting more trees and bushes. B. Avoiding planting of trees. C. Constructing dams to check the flow of rivers. D. Both A and C. Answer is D. Both A and C. Seventh, which of these soils is rough and gritty and does not become sticky when wet? A. Sandy soil, B. Clayey soil, C. Loamy soil, D. All of this. Answer is A. Sandy soil. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statements. First one, plants and animals cause weathering of rocks. False. Second, plants use food and take in oxygen. False. Third, soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. True. Fourth one, strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees decrease soil erosion. False. Fifth, trees and bushes should be planted to increase soil erosion. False. Next, give one word for the following. First one, the process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water. Answer is weathering. W-E-A-T-H-E-R-I-N-G, weathering. Second, the top layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Answer is soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Third, soil that does not hold water at all. Answer is sandy soil. S-A-N-D-Y, sandy. S-O-I-L, soil. Fourth, soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Answer is clayey soil. C-L-A-Y-E-Y, clayey. S-O-I-L, soil. Fifth, the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Answer is soil erosion. S-O-I-L, soil. E-R-O-S-I-O-N, erosion. Okay, children, revise this lesson thoroughly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.